Now, students, come to our next topic or next accounting term is stock or stock in trade. The term stock include the value of those goods which are purchased for reselling and which are lying unsold at the end of accounting period. It is two type: opening stock and closing stock. The term opening stock means the value of goods lying unsold at the beginning of accounting period, whereas the term closing stock means the value of goods lying unsold at the end of accounting period. Now come to the inventory. It is an accounting term that refers to goods that are in various stages of being made ready for sale, including finished goods that are available to be sold, work in progress, meaning in the process of being made, raw material to be used to produce more finished goods in this stock. Now come to the trade receivable. Trade receivable refers to the amount receivable on account of sale of goods or services rendered by the company in the normal course of business. In this, debtors and bill receivable include. The term debtor represents those person or firm to whom goods have been sold or services rendered on credit and payment has not been received from them. Now come to the bill receivable. A bill of exchange or bill receivable becomes bill receivable for the person who draws it drawer and get it back after its acceptance from the drawee. Thus, bill receivable is an accounting term for bills of exchange drawn on debtors or received by way of endorsement from them. Now come to the trade payable. Trade payable is the amount payable on account of goods purchased or services taken in the normal course of business. Trade payables include both creditors and bills payable. Creditors. The term creditors represent those persons or firms from whom goods have been purchased or services procured on credit and payment has not been made to them. Some money is still owing to them. Bills payable. A bill of exchange becomes a bills payable for the person who accepts it, means dry, and return it to drawer. Thus, bills payable is an accounting term for bills of exchange accepted in favor of creditors. Now come to the next term, goods. Goods includes all those things which are purchased for resale. Costs. In accounting, the term cost refers to the monetary value of expenditure for raw material, equipment, supplies, services, labor, product, etc. It is an amount that is recorded as an expense in bookkeeping records. Next, voucher. A voucher is a document which provides the authorizations to pay on the basis of which the business transactions are first of all recorded in the books of accounts. Now come to the discount. It is a rebate or an allowance given by the seller to the buyer. It is two type: trade discount and cash discount. Trade discount we give to customer to increase the sale, and cash discount we allow for earlier payment received. Thank you, students.